In this video, I'll show you how to allow cross-server matchmaking in Wellwin's Meet. Now, say for example, you want to go ahead and do a casual co-op, whether it's wrestling, attending the arena, or something similar. In order for you to allow cross-server matchmaking, you first need to ensure that you have access to that specific place, whether it can be casual, arena, or even challenges. From here, once you've selected the challenge that you're going to complete, simply enable Allow Cross-Server Matchmaking by clicking on this box. Once you've done that, it now means that no matter what server other players are on, whether they're playing on iOS, Android, PC, or PS, you'll now be able to play against them instead of just playing with people in your specific server. Then you can go ahead and select participate, and you can go ahead and continue with that specific challenge. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.